I think the most daring look I ever did was actually this Anamika Khanna outfit with combat boots for a Diwali party, which I thought was pretty cool.
We have Shanaya. Welcome to NDTV.
Thank you for having me.
You look
here.
fantastic, like a rock star. Tell me, are you a gold girl or a silver girl?
I'm definitely a gold girl, as you can see, but actually I'm pretty much a gold girl.
But what is your personal style like?
My personal style is actually very minimal, very chic, very elegant. I just always like to just be myself. That's it.
If you had a choice, what would you always be in?
Sweatpants. I would always be in sweatpants if I had a choice.
What is your favorite go-to outfit when you're going out with the girls?
I think a fun dress with like sneakers. I always want to be comfortable because I know I'm going to have a fun long night with my girls.
3 beauty items you would never leave home without.
Lip gloss, sunscreen and blush.
If your wardrobe could only consist of one color, which one would it be?
White.
Oh my god, you're so I mean, you're very sure about
Yes,
this, isn't
white for sure.
it? What's the most outrageous fashion trend that you have followed and you have carried it off?
Honestly, I've always said this. I actually don't follow that many trends. I just go with the flow, and whatever I like, I just do that. But I think the most daring look I ever did was actually this Anamika Khanna outfit with combat boots for a Diwali party, which I thought was pretty cool.
If you had to rate something from your cousins Sonam Kapoor or Rhea's wardrobe, what would that be?
Everything. I don't have to choose. I would just take everything.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Hi guys, it's Shanaya here, and you're watching NDTV Swirlster. The process before getting here was just to calm myself down, rehearse as much as I can, feel comfortable. I think I had a great team with me that I've worked with many times. So just be comfortable, calm myself down and be comfortable in my shoes especially.
This particular collection, it comes from the heartland of India, exploring how people dress on the outskirts of India as well, but at the same time sort of forgetting their own identities to where they belong and becoming part of who we are and what we are and how we live in the city. So it's like this intermingling of thoughts, cultures, lifestyles, and more than anything else, freedom to do whatever anyone wants to do without any rules, without any binding, just to be. So that's what this collection was about.